Welcome to a Map Business Online video presentation. Today we're talking about conducting a driving time and distance query between a point and a data set with multiple points. Map Business Online Pro, the advanced version of Map Business Online, provides the capability for you to conduct that query and add distances or driving times or straight line distances to the data. So the first thing I did was I put the point on the map. So I've got a set of Arizona hospitals, I believe that's what that is, on the map in blue. The point at which from which I want to calculate distances and times is this center point star here, which I placed the point on the map by entering the address here, clicking the binoculars, putting that point on the map. And I'm just going to close that. So now you've got the territory map in the background with the blue points on the map of an imported data set, and then a dropped point right here in the middle. Map Business Online Map Business Online Pro will give you the capability to conduct this distance and driving time analysis along the road network for multiple data sets as well. If you go to the analysis button in Map Business Online Pro, you'll see this batch calculate distances times between two data sets. We're not doing that with this video. We're doing it between one data set and one point. The way you get that calculated query is to select the point, and in the dialog box you'll see the distances and times. That's the function we want. Before we do it, we look at the data window, and in the data window I've got the Arizona accounts here listed, and you can see I've got zip code, city, state, staff beds for columns in the data. This process will add columns in that data set that will provide the distance and time information that you're looking for. All right, so I'm going to click the point. I'm going to, in the dialog box that pops up, which is connected to that point now, I select distances and times, and I decide what I want to query. Do I want to do straight distance from point to point, or do I want to do driving distance from all the blue points to the actual star in the middle? Do I want to do time, or do I want to do a combination of both? So I could do straight and drive time distances, drive time distance, and time, all distances and drive time. So you have some options. Do I want to do it to or from? Am I going this way or that way? So I'm going to do to, and then what I'm going to do is check the addresses. So this is all looking at the address for the star in the middle. That's what that particular address is that I entered. And then down here, you could go out to a data set on your desktop and plot it at this point. So you don't already have to have it on the map. You can plot that data set through this query. But in this case, I've already got it selected on the map. I know where it is. I've color-coded it. And then you're going to just put some sort of a text in here for your columns. So let's say it's, we'll just call it critical point. And then we're going to click next. And you can see a number of measurements have been calculated. We'll click done. Up pops the data window, and you can see distance to critical point here added to the map. You could have done it for time. You could have done it for a combination of both. If you did it for a combination of both, you'd have two columns with information added. Then you can just simply export the data, and out it goes as a CSV file, which you can then work with outside of the application. So life is good, and Map Business Online can help you calculate all those somewhat complex distances and times for use in logistics analysis, market analysis, sales planning, a whole variety of subjects that might be concerned about travel times, delivery times, uh, boy, a whole host of things. Critical rescues, uh, just managing people in the field, all of it. Go to mapbusinessonline.com, take our free trial. This is a powerful application, and certainly hope